Abantu abayishagalombili abangaziwa bangasele kulesi sikole samabanga aphansi eligonqozo primary behlome ngezibhamu bafike bavulela ngenhlamvu kumalungu esigungu esilwisana nobugebengu abebambe umhlangano okudingida ngamaso okubhekana nobugebengu.
Sithe nje sihleli phaya evrandini sabona abantu bedlula ngendlela kunoba bengophango 10 even ngo10 kanje. Xa sijonga abo bantu sizama ukuyoxela endlini baye kukho abantu abahamba apha masizama ubaqwalasela into abayenzileyo bave badedela izibhamu ngelo xesha.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa uFani Masemola uthi isikole sivaliwe ngenxa yokuthi sibe indawo yesigameko.
It's unfortunate that it happened at school. We can assist, but we almost finished. I'm sure the learners will be able to start with schooling soon. Of course, there are processes that have to come in terms of counseling before they can be able to go on.
Sekwandiswe isibalo samaphoyisa ukulwisana nobugebengu.
You'd be aware that we are increasing our detectives now. We have allocated 4,000 new police constables that are coming out now to detectives. So out of those 4,000, stock theft will have their share, and this province will also get a share of their new detectives, which will come and assist.
Kusolakala ukuthi lesi sigameko sihlobene nokwebiwa kwemfuyo endaweni.
Ngabantu abathi xa bejonga izinga lokwabiwa ukubiwa kwemfuyo bazixelela into yoba abazoyeka amapolisa asebenze odwa, bazawuzenzela i-patrol group ezawuthi ijonge ezi ndawo apho imfuyo ingatransportwa igqithe khona nalapho ingathi imoto mhlawumbi abantu abangenayo abazokweba imfuyo kule ngingqi bayisebenzise.
Kunxuswe izakhamuzi ukuthi zisebenzisane nezinhlaka zomthetho ukulwisana nobugebengu.